Hello friends, welcome back to the Craft Castle. I have a very quick tutorial for you today. Have you ever wanted to do a print then cut item with the finished product looking something like this? However, when you got done, you ended up with something that looked like this. So I'm going to show you how to take our mess ups into something beautiful like that. And it's probably one step that you missed, or you just pressed the wrong button, and it's going to be quick and easy, and then you can get back to crafting. Let's go to the computer. Okay, so this is the finished file that I have on Cricut Design Space. You can see that it's the same exact thing of what I have here in the printed and finished cut looking ugly invitation. Everything that is black is what we want to be printed, just like in this perfectly cut I Do Barbecue invitation. If we go over into our design and you click all of the black pieces, it's all been changed to print then cut. I'm sure you've gotten this far, and it's frustrating when you get this far and then you get something that looks like this. But if we go and look, every single item here is all been set to print then cut. And then your very back piece that you have, which is going to be the outline of our invitation, is also set to print then cut. I have it set to gray just so we can see what we're doing. But if we go over here and we change it from gray to white, the reason why I did that is because now we can't see it, right? So I'm assuming that how you got to this step right here is you have everything set to print then cut, and then you selected everything and you went down here and pressed attach. So then when you went over into the cut screen, what you saw was something that looked like this. Now, I have it blown up just for this tutorial purposes, but it's the same thing that you're seeing here is what you see on the screen. So the problem with this is if we go and press continue, we would get a finished product that looked like this. We don't want that, right? So going back over into the Design Space program, I'm going to go back one. Now, instead of pressing attach, what we wanted to do is we wanted to select everything and press flatten. So everything right here is a print then cut. So then when we go over here and to make it, it is going to look exactly the same as what we have in our original file. The only difference is now when we go and print then cut it, we're gonna get something that looks like this. I went ahead and printed out that XL I Do Barbecue invitation just to show you that it actually works. This is the Cricut just reading the registration marks and cutting exactly what I want it to cut, and only the outside. Okay, now that we have a finished print then cut, do you see what one button makes that big of a difference? So this is our finished file with the correct button that we pressed, and this was that original one with all the frustration, and it ended up not looking exactly the way we wanted to. One button makes a huge difference. All right, y'all, I sure hope I helped you in your frustrations with print then cut, and I will see you later.